Hey, what's up, guys? Shh. So today I'm gonna give you the secret to what you need to do to be successful on YouTube. So stay tuned, guys.
Yeah, that's my Maserati going ham. No salami, that's your chick. If I like it, then I'm straight. Boat garden in a club.
What it do, guys? It's your boy PlayBoi back again, and like I said, today we're gonna be talking about what you need to do to be a successful start out streamer on YouTube or any kind of videos on YouTube. So how to become a successful YouTuber from the start. Now guys, there's a lot of things out there when it comes to equipment, things like that can better your streams. I'm gonna tell you right now, guys, you do not need that to start out. That will just cost you a lot of money, and remember guys, if you're into YouTube for money, you're not gonna make money right off. So if that's what you're here for, you might as well stop watching this video, because it's not gonna be the video for you. But YouTube is not a sprint, it's more of a marathon, guys. So how long can you last? How long can you have the endurance to keep doing it? Because it's gonna take some time, even if you're like well known. Like you can have a bunch of your family members, things like that, to join your YouTube channel. But it's gonna take time for you to build up the viewers, build up the consistency that everyone's gonna need to see and be able to grow to ultimately, you know, try to make money at the end of it. It's nice, but you need to come into YouTube doing what you love to do. Something that you really like and are very passionate about, that's what you should do, because that's gonna bring you the most viewers, because they can tell if you're passionate about what you're doing. So anyways guys, before I get started, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that sub button and join the PlayBoi Nation today. Also hit that like button and share the video, guys. Let's get this channel growing again. Your boy took a break, but I am back, and we're going to be doing a lot more. Like I said, I got the external camera, so we're going to do videos, and we're going to do vlogs, guys. All kind of stuff. And I need your help to come up with ideas, so make sure you leave in the comments what you want PlayBoi to do. And we'll get that looked at and see what we can do. And I always respond on the comments, guys, so make sure you do leave them comments, alright? Anyways, getting started so that this video isn't too long. It's already going to be a pretty long video. But the number one thing, the very big secret that I was talking about, guys, is being consistent. Being very consistent is what's going to get you the most views. I mean, nobody wants to see somebody, or no one knows when to look for someone that's not on there every day or on a consistent schedule. So if you're not going to be on there every single day, make sure you do have a schedule. Let your viewers know when you're going to be on so that they can come and watch you. Because guys, YouTube is almost like TV now. People come to watch YouTubers that are consistent, just like if they were going to watch your show on TV. Now, a lot of times there's not a DVR for YouTube, so they have to know when you're going to be on. And if they can make it, they'll be there, especially if they're loyal. So, anyways, with that being said, guys, that's the big secret. That's the number one thing that we should put up on this list is consistency. Make sure that you're being there, and the more you can be there, the more viewers you're going to get. People like to see you every day if they can. So if you can make it happen, guys, every day. And guys, if you've been in my channel, I know I haven't always been that most consistent, but you guys stayed around. But your boy is going to be streaming, trying to stream every single day. I can't make any promises, but we're going to be doing it as much as possible, so make sure you stay tuned. And like I said, if you're new here, make sure you sub to the PlayBoi Nation. Let's move on to number two, guys. Number two is going to be webcam. It's important for your viewers to be able to see you. They want to see you. So make sure you have a webcam. You're not going to get very many viewers if you do not have a webcam. Now, webcam can consist of multiple different things. It could be an external camera, which I am recording on now, which is my new camera that I told a lot of you guys about. Or it could be the webcam that we have here, which is the one I started out with. It is a very cheap camera, guys. You don't have to spend a lot of money to be successful at the beginning. This is where I want to give a shout out to my boy Elgato. Elgato did it from the console. All he had was his console and a camera, and he was on every single day. Guess what, guys? He made it to 1,000 subs, grinding it. He was a grinder, guys. So if you haven't checked him out, make sure you go check Elgato out. He's a pretty good streamer, guys. I like watching his video. He's pretty funny. So make sure you go check him out. Anyways, so like I said, you don't have to have the most expensive things to be a good YouTuber. Do what you can do at the beginning. You're not going to make money at the start, so don't go spend a lot of money, alright? Do what you can do. Just be entertaining, be passionate about what you're doing, and be consistent. Those are the #1 things, and of course it makes a big difference if you have a webcam. So, talking about webcams, and I just want to give you guys, like I said, the information that I have, the things that I use. Some of this stuff I did spend quite a bit of money on. That's why I'm making a video, because I'm going to let you know you don't have to do that. I thought it was important because I saw a bunch of other YouTubers using it. I'm new to YouTube. I was new to YouTube, so I just went out and spent the money because I had it. If you don't have the money, I get why you don't want to go buy this stuff. But that's why I'm making this video, guys, to give you the key tips to the things that you do need. Anyways, if you don't have a lot of money and you want to start out with a cheap webcam, the C615 Logitech is the one that I use. This camera cost me, I want to say, about 20 or 30 bucks. It wasn't that much at all. So, and it gave you being able to see me. If you're doing it from the console, guys, remember you can buy the PlayStation camera, or if you're doing it from Xbox, which I'm not sure if there is a streaming service on Xbox. I don't play Xbox, but if there is, I'm sure they have a camera too that you can use. That's the cheapest way of doing it, because you already have a console and you just need a camera to be able to stream. Consoles make it very easy because you don't need capture cards, things like that, to be able to stream off their services. So it's a very cheap way of streaming. That's how Elgato did it. So trust me, guys, you can use a console streaming service and a camera and still be able to be successful. Make it happen, guys. There's no excuses why you cannot put out the content. And if you're saying, oh, I don't have the stuff to make a great video now, and you're thinking about getting it, or you're gonna go buy it, that's fine. But make videos now. The time is now, guys. Make the videos. No one can see it if you don't put it out. So put the videos out. Anyway, guys, so yes, that was a cheap webcam. I would suggest now, though, I think the C920, which is one I would definitely suggest, is just a little bit more expensive, but it's a way better camera, and that's one that a lot of YouTubers use. So if you're going to go out and buy a webcam, look at that one first. If you have the money, buy the C920 first. If not, then you can always buy the C615, which is the one I've used and it's been very good to me. So make sure to look out for those, but you definitely need a webcam. Anyways, number three, editing software, guys. It's very important to have great editing software. There's a lot of cheap or non-expensive versions out there that you can use. If you're going to be streaming, all you need is a thumbnail. So yes, you could export it out for someone else to do, or you can make your own through the cheap software if you wanted to. But if you want to make life easy, go to the ones that are well used, like mine. I use Adobe for everything, guys. It costs me $20 a month. Now, of course, that's with a student discount. If you are a student, you do get a discount for Adobe, which is really great. If you're not a student and you have to get them, I think it costs about $60 a month for all their products. But guys, if you're planning on making YouTube a career, or you want to do it heavily, make it happen. It's so much easier to be able to go through the different programs and be able to edit your software. So you have After Effects, which you can put effects on your videos, or Premiere Pro, which I find easier to edit the videos all together, and then Photoshop to do your thumbnails, guys. All of those in one, and there's so many other products in there with Adobe that you can play around with, building websites, things like that, which is not going to be important to this video, so I'm not going to talk about those. Anyways, moving on to the next point. Number 4, I think we're on. Yes, number 4. Lighting, guys. Lighting is very important to your videos. If you want high quality videos, make sure you have high quality lighting. You can use the box lights, which is what I use. I also use a desk lamp, as you can see back there, to help on this side to give me a little bit of color, because the lights, they're really white a lot of the times, so they make you look like a ghost. So having a yellow light can put some more color back into your face, and that's why I use the desk lamp, guys. But that's just a key tip for you. Anyways, there's also the rings that everyone else likes to use. They're kind of expensive, so if you're just starting out, I wouldn't suggest going to get that. If you buy a knockoff version, I can't tell you how good they are, so use that at user risk. You know, I don't know what else to tell you, you know. Anyways, and I want to take that point in the video if you're just now joining, or I can't remember if I said it or not, so I'm gonna say it anyway. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and also hit that like and share, guys. If you come watch my streams, remember, you get coins, and then there's a shop where you can use those coins. So make sure you come in there and interact with your boy, and let's have some fun. Anyway, moving on to the next point, interacting with viewers. Key point for streaming, guys. if you're going to stream, make sure you interact with your viewers. Let them know how your day was. Talk to them about their day. Talk about important topics of the day. Do whatever you have to. Interact with them. They want to be a part of your live stream. So just by saying their name makes them a happy customer, and they're more likely to be loyal to you. So make sure you check that out on your list. Anyways, guys, I think we've gone through my list. Actually, no, sorry, let's take it back. Let's rewind. Yes. So, if you are, and I'm talking to you, if you are streaming from the console, remember you don't have to have a capture card, guys. But if you're moving up, you're taking that step to the next step, and you get in a computer, make sure you get a capture device if you're going to be playing on a console. You have to have a capture device in order to record your videos. I'm sure there might be another way out there that can be done on YouTube, but the easiest way is to get a capture card, guys. There's quite a bit of capture cards out there. I cannot tell you about the other cards besides Elgato. Elgato is a great company because they respond quickly when there's an issue. The first capture card that I started out with was the HD60S, guys. The HD60S is the first one I started out with. It is a portable capture card. So you can take it with you on the go if you are traveling a lot. It can be used on laptops, even on a desktop. If you're on a desktop, guys, what I would suggest is the one that I currently have, which is the HD60 Pro. This one you can actually put in your computer and you can use less wires. I really like this one. It works great. There is a capture software that you can use if you are just recording. Definitely you can use that, or you can even use it to stream. I use OBS. OBS allows you to put a bunch more things on there, and it's been very reliable to me. So I use OBS, by the way, guys. Those are things that you can use too when you're doing videos or streaming. OBS is a really good one. I think there's a couple more out there. I don't really use those. So if you have a better way of doing videos or streaming, guys, make sure you put that in the comments. I respond to all the comments. Trust me, I'll talk to you. So just put it in there and let's have a conversation. If you think something's better than what I'm using, let me know. Let our viewers know, guys. Anyway, guys, we're a big one nation, guys. PlayBoi Nation is what we are. So help each other out. Make sure to like each other's comments, things like that, guys. Let's show the love. Let's make this happen. Let's make this the strongest nation on YouTube, guys. Let's make it happen. Anyways, just a couple of things. I don't want to make the video too long. Like I said, the camera that I'm using, guys. Oh wait, did I talk about audio? I don't think I talked about audio. Anyways, Blue Yeti is what I use for my audio, guys. Make sure you do have good audio. People want to be able to hear you crisp without all the echo and without all the other issues. So make sure you make that happen with a good microphone. The one, like I said, I use is Blue Yeti. It comes in different colors. Been a really great mic so far, so definitely want to put that out there. But other things that I use now, guys, now of course this stuff costs money, so you don't have to do this if it's your first time starting out streaming. Like I said, it does cost a lot of money. But my vlogging camera, the camera that I'm using right now to record, is the Canon Powershot SX730HS, guys. It is a really good vlogging camera. The screen pops up so that you can see yourself, so you know what you're recording, things like that. And the audio on it is pretty good too. I cannot plug in an external camera microphone, so if that's something you're looking for, this won't be the camera for you. But anyway, guys, if you want to see a review on any of the products I use, just let me know. I'll make it happen, guys. Also another thing that I use, guys, this is pretty expensive, but I really enjoy it. It makes streaming a little bit easier. It helps capture my friends' voices and things when I'm playing in parties a lot easier, and the quality of the games are a lot better. Is the Astro A40s. I'm sure you guys already know about it. A lot of YouTubers use it. They can be customized. Really great product. But it also comes at a hefty price tag of $250. So, and that's, well, currently when I bought those it was $250. I haven't looked at it recently, so it could have gone down. But you know, these are just suggestions, guys. Like I said, you don't need all this to be a good YouTuber. You just need to be consistent and have a webcam and using good audio. So you have those things, guys, you can be a really great YouTuber. There's really no need for the other things. Just make sure that as you grow your channel, though, that you are progressing and you are upgrading your equipment, because it does make things a little bit easier and better for your viewers if you plan on getting up there pretty big. Before I end the video, guys, I did want to give a big shout out to our PlayBoi giveaway winner, which was Kingsavageultra. Kingsavageultra won the PlayBoi giveaway, so everybody give him a shout out, put it in the comments, say congrats to him. I didn't say that before because I kind of got away from YouTube, but I wanted to make sure I give him his recognition. Guys, it was a real giveaway, and I plan on doing another one once we get to 1,000 subscribers. So let's go ahead and push to that next landmark there, and then we'll make it even bigger. If I get to 1,000, who knows, I might give away $50. You know, I know that's probably not a lot, but guys, it's money that you don't have to come out of your own pocket for. So let's make it happen, guys. But that's all your boy has today. I just want to do a quick recap. So number 1, be consistent. Number 2, make sure you have a webcam. Number 3, interact with your viewers. Number 4, your audio. Number 5, lighting. 6, the devices you're gonna need, capture cards, webcam, things like that. I think that's about it. I think that's the whole list right there. Going through it quickly, but anyway, guys, so I'm more than happy to make videos for you guys like this. Give your boy some ideas with the new camera. I plan on doing a lot more things, but I need your help. Put some ideas on the comments, and the ones that get the most likes, that's the ones I'll be looking into and maybe trying to get done. Also, guys, if you have not, follow me on Twitter at PlayBoi21DZ. That's where a lot of the information comes out before the videos drop or before the live stream starts. Also do surveys on there to make sure that I put out content that you guys want. So if you haven't, follow me at PlayBoi21DZ. Guys, I've had a lot of fun and I enjoy doing this. So let's go ahead and show the love. Follow me there. Let's go ahead and put some comments down there about videos that you guys want to see. And of course, if I pick one of those videos, guys, like I said, I will give you a shout out. So anyway, guys, that's it for your boy PlayBoi. Peace.
Here, let me break it down. Yeah, I'm gonna make it now. Give me some time and you'll see me up on stage somehow. I'm working every day. I'm working hella late. I'm working cause it's worth it. Once you make it, then you play.